Hey, it's me, Garrett from Port Monkeys. And I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to you. We are on the beautiful Royal Princess, and we are on deck 16 aft, just outside the Horizon Court buffet. And we're going to take a look at the upper decks. If you wanted to see the lower decks, that's a different video. So first of all, we're going to make our journey outside. So this is the very back of the ship. This is the Outrigger Bar and Horizon Terrace. And I'm going to circle around here. Not in front of those people. It's about 7 a.m. Looks like the bar is open though. You can also pass by it, but there's coffee out here. I don't know if it's 24/7, but it's out here whenever I come out, and I come out here at 5 o'clock sometimes. So, coffee, hot water, and tea bags, and cream, and sugar. So now we're going to enter the Horizon Court buffet, and it's breakfast. And we set our clocks back last night, so everybody got up early. Normally I'd do this with nobody here, or very few people. But anyway, they have fabulous food and a huge assortment. And they have these stations all along. Some are repetitive, some aren't. Crossing back over to starboard. We're heading forward. It's crowded. It's going to be more crowded. Give it an hour. It'll be packed in here. And we go from Horizon Court to Horizon Bistro. And it's different furniture, but you know, the same food kind of. Although they do have the little dessert area here, which we're going to walk back through. The pastry shop, it's called. Monkey bread. They always have cookies. Whoa! They always had cookies in that corner. This is different. I stand corrected. And another food area. And this one isn't so crowded. Give it time. So we're going to walk out here.
Maybe she just needs her phone.
And right here is the midship stairs and elevators. Right through that door. Right? The stairs are off that way. And this is the pool area. And it's a little empty. And this is one of those glass walkways. And the one on this side, this is the Seaview Bar, by the way. The one on this side is in better shape than the one on the other side. The glass is clearer. So this is the plunge pool. And they always have this chained off. But I think it's a water feature. And I guess the plan was to let people play in it, and well, somebody got hurt or something. This is the fountain pool. So that's basically the fountain. And this is the fountain pool. No lifeguard on duty. And of course there's stairs all over going up deck 17. And you just grab towels and put them there when you're done. Don't have to show room keys or medallions. This is Prego Pizzeria. Pizza's complimentary. They usually have 4 different kinds. They have 3 kinds every day, and then one changes. This is the Mermaid's Tail Bar. And this is the Trident Grill. And I'm going to show you the menu, but hamburgers, chicken sandwiches, hot dogs, french fries. So we're heading forward again. And the rest of deck 16 is cabins. Lido deck 16. So we're going to go up to sun deck 17. So you'll find you can't go any farther forward. You can go outside. Door. This is the retreat pool and bar. Now on some ships it says adults only. I don't see it. Oh, right there. Adults only. And they're just setting up for the day, but it's a pretty nice area. And no kids. So this is the retreat pool and the retreat bar. And it's the same all the way across the ship. And people are setting up stuff. And I don't think these cost any extra. They're just first come, first serve. Hi. And that brings us to the sanctuary, and it does cost extra. And I'm going to try to slip in here. That door is hard to close. Just to give you a little idea of what the sanctuary looks like, this you have to pay for. I think it's like $40 for all day. I don't know if the price went up or not, but it's the whole front of the ship, right? And since I didn't pay, I'm not going to stay. But this is the very front of the ship, and this is as far forward as you can get, unless you can get up there. Or as high as you can get forward. Sanctuary. Yeah, see, I don't see any pricing. Oh. Yeah, it's $40 all day, $20 half day. I think they have deals for all week or all cruise, whatever. We have a couple hot tubs. You see one's open, one's not. Be careful, the deck is pretty much always wet out here. See, the sanctuary goes all the way around to here, but it says please use the other entrance. That's these helper people, and they say these do cost extra. So, anyway, this is deck 17. Now you can head through those baffles and get to the back of the ship, or you can go up even more. We're going to go up even more. That's movies under the stars. You can see this area here is terraced for theater viewing. And I'm going to go up a little further. And it's windy up here, so and this is the top of the ship, and they've already laid chairs out here because they know this is going to be a busy day today. People laying in the sun one last time because it's the final day of our cruise. And I'm going to go down on this side. I'm going to move to the front of this area. See these? There's a few chairs right up here. We have a good view of everything. People marking off their chairs already. So we're going to head aft now. We're going to walk along the starboard side because on the port side you can't get further back. You can go up a stairway to that deck, but that's the jogging track. But you can't really get inside back there like you can on this side. So see the clock, 7:15. Now, the glass walkway is down below, on the deck below here. See it down there? And it's the same on the other side. Right? That's the side we walked the glass walkway on. We're going aft on the starboard side. There are no markings other than warning signs, right? There's nothing here. Nothing that says that's the jogging track. Nothing that says the room we're about to enter. But there are stairways on both sides so you can go up or down if you're already up, right? I see these people are coming out here to exercise. Yeah, smart. They have a room in here, which we'll see, but they sometimes do classes and you have to pay. But you'll notice no markings of any kind other than the bathroom, right? But this is the fitness center. That's the Lotus Spa symbol. Fitness center. So they got a bunch of weight machines, a lot of free weights, a lot of treadmills, bicycles, ellipticals. This is the room I was talking about. So I think these people are all on their own. But those people decided to go outside and it's cooler out there. It's steamy in here. I'll show you what the guy's restroom looks like. Well, this room has showers. Let me see if there's anybody in there. So, showers and lockers. Cool. Anyway, the stairs and elevators are right through there, the aft stairs and elevators. The smoking area is right out there. This is the Youth and Teen Club. And they're probably not in operation right at this moment. Too early. But you should know it's here. Oh, I hear a door though. Hi.
Hey.
So, Youth and Teen Club Treehouse, ages 3 to 9, or 3 to 7. Youth and Teen Club Lodge, ages 8 to 12, and the Beach House, ages 13 to 17. Right? So they're locked, can't show you inside, and they're pretty well protected. We're gonna go outside here, because you should know, through there too, ooh, that smells like natural gas. A lot. So this is the smoking area. So we're on deck 17 aft, and notice they're all smoking. The buffet is down below us. So we're gonna go across. Well, no, let's go up. Hi.
How are you?
Hey, Angel. How you been? Now you're in the video. Hotel general manager. Okay, so this is the sports court. And they've got gates. And you should lock the gates in case there's loose balls, right? Of course, usually when I come through here, their gates aren't locked, but they're open. But so we got basketball courts. I guess that's pickleball. I think one's been moved aside. You'll see there is another deck up there. And of course, this is the jogging track. Somebody lost their hat.
No, I didn't lose it.
Oh, okay. Going in?
I didn't want to lose it.
Yeah. They do have a driving range, you might say. And there are some balls there. and some clubs here. So have at it. And extra padding right here. So run, walk. So walk on the inside, run on the outside, and go that direction. Counterclockwise, I would call it. We're going to go up one more deck. But first, let's look out. So here's the back of the ship. I'm on Sky Deck 19. Of course, I'm up above the basketball courts. It's fully netted, so you can't lose anything as long as those gates are closed. You see the ping pong tables there. And this is Princess Greens or Putting Green or whatever you want to call it. It looks like they have shuffleboard here. I mean, that's a shuffleboard score card. I'm not sure where the equipment is. I do see it on the ground there though, the shuffleboard. So I do know where the golf equipment is. And that's right there. Oh, all the clubs are tipped over. And balls. And that concludes our tour of the upper 3 decks. So don't forget to watch Royal Princess Tour lower 3 decks. And for Port Monkeys, I'm Garrett, and I'll see you in the next port. Let's get some good light. Bye.